Hello students, in this video I am going to tell you about how the electrons feel in an atom or how the electrons feel in orbitals. So before going through this topic, I want to tell you about these three important principles which is related to filling of electrons in an orbital or in an atom. First, Aufbau's principle. According to Aufbau's principle, electrons are added in various orbitals according to their increasing energies. It means electrons lowest energy orbital से fill होना शुरू होते हैं और higher energy orbitals में fill होते हैं. Starting कहाँ से होती है? Lowest energy level से. Lowest energy orbitals having lowest energy. It is the filling of electrons starts from orbitals having lowest energy. Next, Pauli's exclusion principle. According to this principle, no two electrons can have all the quantum numbers same. For example, if n is equal to 1, then L will be 0, the value of L is equal to 0, and the value of M will be 0, and the value of S is equal to plus half and minus half. So, students, you have already known or about quantum numbers, and you can calculate the quantum numbers. So, if n is equal to 1, electrons may be of n is equal to 0 or same. Both the electrons can have the same value for n or L or m. But fourth quantum number will be different if it is plus half or minus half. So the conclusion is one electron is clockwise spin, and second electron is of anti-clockwise spin. So both the electrons are different. So four quantum numbers are not same. Now we see the Hund's rule. What is Hund's rule? According to Hund's rule, electrons are added in orbitals first singly, and they fill all the orbitals with the single electron. After that, pairing of electrons will start. So, for example, if we have 6 electrons, then one s, 2s, 2p. It has 3 orientation. So there are 3 orbitals in p subshell. 2 and 2, 4. Now 2 electrons. 1 and 1. If there are more electrons, we have more electrons, then the pairing will be start after when these orbitals will fill singly. So if we have 8 electrons, then 1, 2, 4 and 4 electrons. Third will be filled singly, then pairing will start. So this is Hund's rule. Now we see how we can determine which orbital has greater energy, which orbital has lower energy. So we see according to Aufbau's rule. We write like this, and 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then electron will go in 3p and 4s. Then 3d, 4p and 5s. 4d, 5p, 6s. And then 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s. This is the order of increasing energy of orbitals. So we can write here 1s, then 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, and 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, then 6d, and last 7p. So this is the order of increasing energy of orbitals. So electrons will be filled in this sequence. Now we see some example. Now we discuss about the chromium. The atomic number of chromium is 24 and we can distribute it, the electrons 2, 8, 8, 6. There are 4 energy level or there are 4 shells. The principal quantum number is 4. The electronic configuration of chromium will be, when we write the orbitals in their increasing order of energies, then 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s and 3d. Now we fill the electrons. 2 electrons in s subshell, 8. Second energy level, 2 electrons in 2s and 6 electrons in 3 subshell. Now third energy level, 2 electrons in 3s and 6 electrons in 3p. These are fully filled. Now we have 6 electrons. 2 electrons in 4s subshell and now 4 electrons are left which are filled in d orbitals. Okay, but this electron jump into this orbital to stabilize it. So it will singly in this orbital and it gains stability because half filled orbitals and fully filled orbitals are more stable. So students, you can understand the electronic configuration of chromium and you can fill the electrons in orbitals according to increasing order of energies of the orbital.